Yeah, I think 15 minutes will be fine. Who would like to have their exam at 12 o'clock on Monday?
Thank you, Professor.
Okay, what's your name?
Sean.
Hold on.
Okay.
Douglas Schwan.
Yes.
Okay, so what I would like you to do then is you're going to do a Zoom of 20 minutes. I don't know if it allows you to do 20 minutes. I think if it doesn't, then make it 30 minutes, but it's going to be 15 minutes exam, but just in case, okay? And then you need to send me an email with that Zoom, okay? And do it tonight after we meet now, okay? Are you with me?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So the next slot will be 12:15. 12:15.
I'll take that, Professor.
And you are Tafadar?
Yes, sir.
Again,
Yes.
the same thing as I said to Douglas. Do a Zoom, starts 12:15, make it 30 minutes, and email me the Zoom info tonight, I mean. Next, 12:30.
I can go, Professor. Nora?
And your name is Nora.
Yeah.
Same thing, Nora. Okay?
Yes.
About the Zoom. 12:45. 12:45. Who would like to take that time slot? Okay, then I'm going to assign someone. Yunus Bao, Yunus. Do you hear me?
Yes, Professor. One
You
more
will
time.
be 12:45 p.m. on Monday.
45 Monday.
Okay?
Okay.
And you need to do a Zoom meeting and make it last 30 minutes just in case, and email me this information tonight. Okay?
Okay. Okay, Professor.
1 p.m. Who would like to take 1 p.m.? Yes. Radley, Lupiano. Same thing. The Zoom, about the Zoom, huh? And send it to me tonight. Okay, 1:15.
I can go, Professor.
Fanny?
Yeah, Fanny.
What's your last name? Fanny what?
Fanny Silva.
Silva?
Yeah.
Same thing about the Zoom. Send it to me tonight.
Yes, Professor.
1:30. 1:30. Okay, so I will assign Ho Yu. Ho Yu, do you hear me?
I cannot do it that time.
What's that?
I can't do it that time.
There's something wrong. Why don't you write down what you're saying in the chat?
Hello, can you hear me now?
Now I can hear you.
I cannot do it that time. I'm in class.
You have a class at 1:30?
Yes.
Okay, so what time can you do it?
I could do 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, okay. Okay, so Hoi Wu, you are at 2 o'clock. 1:30. And again, send me the Zoom information tonight. 1:30.
Yes, yes.
Who can do the 1:30? Ibrahim, 1. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Professor. I can do 1:30.
You can do 1:30?
Yes.
Okay. So you are on 1:30 and send me the Zoom information tonight. 1:45. Who wants to do 1:45? Winham Sebel.
Yes, Professor.
Can you do 1:45?
Yes.
Okay. So same thing about the Zoom. You need to send me the info tonight for the Zoom. Make sure you do it tonight and send it to me tonight. All right? Okay, so now I scheduled 9 so far, and there is 11 of you. So I want to do 2:15. 2:15. There is some of you signed in twice. Tafadar. Okay. All right. So you signed in twice. So
Yeah,
now,
sorry, I'm in the library.
okay. So everyone here on this call has been assigned now a time slot. Yes? So there are 3 more students. Probably we're going to assign time slots for them next week. Okay, so about the project.
Oh, wait, Professor. Sorry.
Who's this?
Louis. I didn't get a time slot.
Luis Hernandez. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you take 2:15?
Yes, sir. I'll take 2:15.
Again, send me the info, the Zoom info like you heard.
Okay.
I think I have 14 in the class. No, 13 actually. One doesn't show up. So we're missing 2 of them. 2, yeah. All right, that's fine. Okay. All right, about the project. Anyone got some results for the project?
Yeah.
Professor.
Okay. Let us see.
Douglas, you want to go first?
Yeah, I'll share my screen first.
Okay, can you show me the data on the top? Okay, so this is what here. Can you explain? I can't hear anything. Are you talking? Hello? I can't
Can
hear
you hear me
you.
now?
Yeah, now I can.
Okay.
So explain what's this about. What
Yeah.
kind of, what did you do here?
So I had 4 workstations, each running one profile with one application.
You need to raise
Yeah.
your voice. I'm sorry.
I have 4 workstations, each running one application on one profile. So
And that
This is-
application is what?
these are, I picked video conference, HTTP, FTP, and email. I tried to use voice, but it didn't change.
So each
when I married the
workstation
conference.
is doing those 4 applications or what? I'm not sure I understand.
Each workstation runs one application, and they talk to the, so I have it mirrored on the other side of the other side of the router, so they're talking to each other
Okay.
like 0 to 4, 1 to 5, 2 to 6.
Okay. Can you show me on the topology which is doing what?
Yes, I'll open up that right now. Just give me a second. All right, this is my topology.
Okay.
This workstation talks to this workstation, and they're both running video conference, and they're sending their packets towards each other only.
You made it, each one talks to only one?
Yes.
Could you show me that? Workstation 4. Ah,
Yes.
okay.
And I
Okay.
have it mirrored on for each application.
All right. And you did the same thing with the other, with the rest. All right.
Yes.
And then,
So I run it, and these are the. I tried to keep the contribution below 3%, like variance. I think you wanted that. So I found out that it actually caps the utilization on this link caps at around 86%. So I had to lower it
Okay.
from 25% per app to like 21.5% per app. And this is that right here, this last line. If I run it any higher, it'll give me outputs that don't make sense.
okay.
So you can see that the throughput contribution.
Okay.
is-
Yeah, throughput contribution here. What does that mean? Is that the bit rate, 25,000? Like on line
Yes.
26. On line 26. So when it says throughput contribution,
Yes.
25, so I take that to be the bit rate, right?
Yes. Bits per second.
Okay, and then the next one, HTTP, that's the bit rate as well.
Correct.
And then what is this here?
FTP.
FTP, okay. And
Yeah.
then the last one is
Email.
email. And the total is, you're above 10 meg already, aren't you? Oh, no, that's 100,000. Okay,
Yes.
okay. All right, so okay, fine. And then you keep increasing, and then you reach 600, 800, and then 86. Go down, and then you stopped at 86. You have the video capped at 200,000. So everything is 200,000, more or less. 215, 214, 214, 219. And what's the 86,000? What is the, what
This
is
is-
this line here? Switch to router.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Switch 0 to the router. So how come?
Yeah, so that's
It's
this one.
80, why it is 86? 860. Okay. Okay, so this is 860. Yeah, all right. And 86. And then this is your internet delay.
Right here.
Okay. Okay, and the issue is why it is capping at 86%.
I'm not sure why it's capping at 86%, but if I try to decrease the inter-arrival times, like make the throughput contribution any higher, it gives me lower utilization and higher delay. So
Yeah, because
I think
lower
the same thing's
utilization.
happening. on the
Okay,
other-
so how about this? Okay, so this is a good starting point. I'm not saying this is bad. That's okay. But what if you try to put everything, like make one profile with all 4 applications inside each workstation? Okay, so each workstation would generate 4 applications and then start running again. And have each workstation on one side transmit to all 4 workstations on the other side. Okay?
I see. Okay. All right.
And then
So should
the
I?
good thing here is that the video is not dominating.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much there is no theoretical reason or even practical reason as to why it caps at 86% or 80%. It should be in the 90s. You should be able to get something in the 90s. Okay, what is the simulation time that you did here?
I only used 1,000 seconds.
1,000 seconds. That's what, 10 minutes, 12, 15 minutes, no more than 15 minutes, right?
16 minutes.
Yeah, that's reasonable. Okay.
Professor, so you want me to redo this with all 4 workstations running 4
All 4
applications?
under one profile,
Uh-huh.
and that profile should be present in each and every workstation. Yeah, and have the workstations on one side talk to only the workstations on the other side. So this allow.
So equal distribution
Say
for
again.
each application. So you want equal distribution?
More or less, yeah, something similar to this, yeah. Okay. Of course, the numerical values will change.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Show me the topology again.
Yeah.
Open up. Yeah. Yeah. Let me see the applications here. Okay.
Should I go in deeper?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Go and go to the other one, the profile. And what did you call this profile? Nothing.
There's 4 different profiles with 4 different apps.
Each one you called it. Okay.
Yeah.
I see. All right. And okay, go to any workstation. Any workstation.
Okay.
Yeah. Edit anyone. Yeah. Click on applications. Hold on. This supported okay, click on the supported profiles. You have only one. Okay.
Yeah.
And supported services all. Yeah. Okay. Transaction. Transport default. Okay. So no, all the parameters seem correct. Okay. I don't see any reason why you shouldn't get above 90%. All right. So let's try that. Okay.
All right.
All right. Anybody else?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So what I did was I did single profile, double applications. Each profile had
Say again. You did what?
single profile, and each profile had 2 applications.
Okay. All right. And you changed the applications. All right.
Yeah. So this one's running FTP, but I just realized that these are the same, so I got to change these. But this
All
one's
right.
running FTP, HTTP, HTTP, FTP, and this one's video and HTTP.
Okay.
In terms of the topography, let me just show you what that looks like. I actually did what you said, where you said to only distribute to
The other. Yeah.
the other
Okay.
side. So just to show you what it
Okay.
looks like. And I did something similar to Douglas where I mirrored it. So this is engineering, media, business, and then mirrored engineering, mirrored media, mirrored business.
All right.
And it's outputting only to the mirrored ones.
Okay.
Equal distributed weight. And then I managed to find that throughout running this, the throughputs, the uplink and the downlink were pretty much the same throughout every
Okay.
iteration and different inter-arrival time.
Okay.
This is the graph of the switch and the router in correspondence to
Yes.
the delay. There is a weird thing going on where it's only showing 0.039, but I know it's lower.
What is GD? GD means what?
Global delay.
Okay.
Global delay, and this is in correspondence with the utilization from the switch to the router. And I managed to get it to go to 90, but it took me 30 minutes for 3,000 seconds.
All right.
that's
If
single.
you want
So a single simulation.
to, fine. So, you know, if
Oh,
you
it's
need
okay.
to add some more time, then add some more time.
Okay.
What's the big deal?
In terms
And
of,
but you need more points there.
oh yeah,
And then I'm not sure I like that you have only 2 applications per station. Yeah. So
Okay.
you really need to have at least video has to be at least video must be in each and every application.
each and every one. Okay.
Yeah, every, you know what I mean, each and
Yeah.
every workstation.
Profile. Okay.
Yeah. All right,
Okay.
and then run it again, and then try to get some more points,
Will
like
do.
70%, 85. Where is the
Okay.
traffic in bit rate?
The
Where is
throughput?
the throughput? Okay, this
Yeah,
is
they're right here. This is the
uplink.
throughput, which was in the
Yeah,
millions. And
Yeah,
this is downlink
okay.
for each thing. And then around here,
What do you mean by downlink? Show me on the topology.
okay, for sure. So when
You
I run
mean
this,
going left to right or right to left?
well, from the
From the
Switch.
station to the switch?
so from the switch to the node
Yeah, to the router?
to the
Or-
okay,
or
so
to
this
the-
one is the switch to the router, right? So this one from the router to the switch, I corresponded that to the downlink,
Okay.
and then from the switch to the router was the uplink, and then
And then from the workstation to the switch is
the switch.
uplink,
yes,
and downlink is from the switch
switch
to the. All right. Okay.
yeah.
All right. So you know what to do.
Yeah.
All right. Anybody else?
Wait, just out of
Anyone else?
curiosity, one question.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So you were saying something about the sum of the throughputs right? From the
Yes.
uplink and the downlink. It couldn't pass the maximum bit rate of the links themselves, which was 10 megs.
Do you have any doubt about that?
Well, right here, the uplink is 6 million, and here it's 6 million, and the sum is 12 million.
No, that's in one direction.
Okay. All right, just making sure. All
Come
right,
on.
That's
Okay,
Okay.
that's in each direction.
okay.
That's one link, and coming down is a different link.
Okay. All right.
Anybody else? All right. So the rest of you, please. Next week is your last chance to show results, and then after that is the exam. All right. So I'll see you next week, everyone.
Take care, Professor. Have a good night.
Okay, take care. Bye.
Excuse me, Professor, can we show you something about the switching package from the last week?
No, next week.
Okay, next
All
week.
right.
Okay.